Mindy McIntosh Shutter, and I'm going to show you how to repot a Gerbera daisy. Now, Gerbera daisy may need to be repotted if you are bringing it from the outside landscape area indoors, or it has outgrown its original container, and you can tell that if there's roots coming out the bottom. You will need to do a little work prior to transplanting your Gerbera daisy, and that is making sure that its new home is clean and sterilized. Place the coffee filter in the pot, making sure that you cover any drainage holes that are in the pot, and then put a thin layer of soil in the new home. Now, the amount of soil that you put in the pot will depend on the size of the pot that you're using. You never want to increase the size by more than 2 times the original size of the container that the Gerbera daisy is in. Once you have that layer of soil in, you will need to remove your Gerbera daisy from its old home. And to do this, you can simply cut away the plastic pot. If you don't want to do that, gently tip down your Gerbera daisy upside down and gently tap on the bottom and squeeze on the sides. The next step is to tease the root. Teasing those roots or giving them permission and telling them they can grow out will allow your root ball to fill up its new home in no time. Then put your Gerbera daisy in the container, fill in with soil, making sure that you don't overfill with soil. You want the soil level that the plant was in originally to be the exact same soil level in the new pot. Once you have done that, gently tap on the table and then water in.